Field is on gate. They're off on the inside. Linden Star goes to lead off. Stride is Owl. Owl is in a break. Linden Star along the inside. Gypsy Brett on the outside, moving for the lead. They go around the turn and down the backstretch. Gypsy Brett on the outside. Linden Star along the inside. Gypsy Brett takes the lead as they go down the backstretch. Linden Star back to second, a gap of 3 lengths. That's Senor Dwayne pacing third. 4 lengths back to Right Tie fourth. Scottish Vicar trailing the field, pacing is Owl. They're at the quarter pole. Gypsy Brett on top by 2 lengths in 30 3. Into the paddock turn the first time. Gypsy Brett maintains a 2-length lead. Linden Star second. It's 3 lengths back to Senor Dwayne third. Right Tie is fourth. Scottish Vicar fifth. And Owl trails this field. They're in the stretch the first time. Gypsy Brett opens up a 2.5 length lead. Linden Star second, 3.5 back to Senor Dwayne third. It's Right Tie fourth, Scottish Vicar and Owl. They're about a half in 102 and 2. In the clubhouse turn the final time. Gypsy Brett with the lead. Linden Star is second, pacing up on the outside. Right Tie is now third. Along the inside, Senor Dwayne fourth. Scottish Vicar on the outside fifth. Owl trails the field. Down the backstretch the final time. Gypsy Brett by 2.5 lengths. Along the inside, Linden Star second. Moving alongside now is Right Tie. They're at the 3/4 pole. Gypsy Brett with the lead. Right Tie on the outside second. 3/4 and 1:33. Around the final turn, Gypsy Brett leads it by a little more than a length. Right Tie on the outside second. Linden Star third. Scottish Vicar fourth. Senor Dwayne and Owl. In the stretch for the finish, Gypsy Brett with the lead. Linden Star is second and Right Tie. Through the stretch to the finish, it's all Gypsy Brett under a drive. Gypsy Brett in front.